how to look up servers on Discord on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually look up servers on Discord on mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the Discord mobile app has very limited options. You can join a server by tapping this option and tapping the plus icon, going to the option called join a server, but you need to have the invitation for a server. So if you don't have the invitation link and someone has not invited you, you will not be able to join that server. So if you want to look up and explore public servers, what we are going to do is, if you have the option to disable this app, that's perfectly fine, or just uninstall the Discord app. Just for now, I'm telling you this. Now open up your browser and just go to discord.com. And once you go to discord.com, you will see this type of interface where you need to tap the browser settings and look for the option called desktop site and then enable it. So tap the three dots and select and enable desktop site. And now once you enable desktop site, select the option called open Discord in your browser and log in to your Discord account. Now on the web version of the mobile application, so in this case, as I repeat, this is the desktop version, but we are using it on mobile by enabling this option called desktop site. So if you don't enable this, very important, you will not be able to do so. So from here, if you zoom into the top left, you will find this option of this compass like icon. When you tap on it, this is the option to basically explore public servers. So from here, now you can go ahead and explore different types of servers just like you have on your PC and laptop version. But very important, make sure you enable desktop site version for your browser. In my case, I'm using Chrome. So if you're using other browsers, you have to look for the settings. Now from here, you can just select any of the server you like and try to join them depending upon the rules, and you don't really need an invitation link to join public servers. This way you can look up servers on Discord on mobile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.